Got this amplifier that I built out of a 1955 Airline tube tape machine. It was in a fire and it had water damage and all kinds of crazy stuff on it. You can barely see where it says Airline right there. Anyway, I relocated all the switches, all the dials, everything. But this is the on switch, and I made a standby switch. I didn't have one before. Tone and volume. And this cool thing is, it's a military pilot light that you can, I don't know if you can see what's going on here, but you can adjust it, how much light comes through just by turning the dial. Lets the light in, kind of cool. But the cool thing about this amp is I wanted it to have reverb. So on the back of the amp, this is also where I put all my inputs and outputs and power input. On the back of the amp, I put this little trap door, and inside of it I have my Mini Hall of Fame reverb pedal. It's hard to do this and film at the same time. Anyway, and I've wired it directly into the circuit of the amp. You can bypass it by pulling this out and just plug it into here. These are the main inputs. When you plug into this, it sends your signal through the pedal, through the amp, and then, or through the pedal and then back into the amp right here. So, it's pretty handy. And then of course you can beam using a tone print, whatever reverb you want. But it just lives inside the amp. I never really even have to touch it. Cool stuff.